So it might not quite be beach and pool season, but now is the time to start thinking about that season. So Dr. Emami, you say you love these winter months because it's a great time to take care of the body. We're naturally out of the sun a little bit more and we have that recovery time. So Morpheus 8, this is a term I'm not familiar with yet. So tell me what exactly this is a process for.
Well, a really hot procedure right now is radio frequency microneedling. And Morpheus 8, I think, is one of the best examples of radiofrequency microneedling. So what's so great about radiofrequency microneedling? It really accomplishes things that weren't able to be accomplished before. You know, we've all heard about lasers tightening and smoothing the texture of the skin, but radiofrequency microneedling, or Morpheus 8, can both smooth the texture of the skin, treat scars, melt fat, and tighten the skin.
Wow, I'm already thinking of all these different ways to utilize that technology. So let's talk about scars first. This may be from a C-section or an injury. So what does that process look like?
So we usually recommend 3 treatments when we're dealing with scars. And we say 3 treatments can really reduce the effect of acne scars or surgical scars by maybe about 50%. Now, we do want to space those treatments apart. On the face, we space them apart about a month, but on the body, we may need 6 to 8 weeks.
And then when it comes to preparing for the beach, I heard you say skin tightening, and that is like my biggest concern. I'm like that one, like wrapping up in the towel at the beach, but I want to get out there and enjoy myself.
Absolutely. I would say for all of us, skin tightening is the holy grail. And we haven't had a technology before radiofrequency to really shrink wrap that skin. And don't we all want that nice, tight tummy and lifted areas that were difficult to treat before?
So as we're talking about this, I'm naturally just kind of thinking about bikini season, but this is a treatment great for men too. They wear bathing suits, they have injuries. So are you getting men coming in for this kind of treatment?
Absolutely. I'd say, you know, women really worry about the neck, the décolleté, as well as the face, and then also these little areas, the back of the arm, which Morpheus is amazing for. And then women are concerned about the abdomen and the top of the knees, that crepiness. But men are concerned about the abdomen too, and also the flanks. That is a prime area for men, and this is a really nice way to tighten that skin and melt fat.
Now, you mentioned that for some procedures, you recommend multiple treatments. So this is time to get out your calendar at home, figure out what you have going on, and then figuring out how many treatments you'd need.
Exactly, and that's where a consultation really comes into play. You want to come in, let me look and make sure that you're a good candidate for the procedure, and then we can talk about timeline, how many I think you may need. Some patients we can get a lot accomplished in just 1 treatment, but the majority of patients you need at least 2 and sometimes 3 treatments.
You know, when you walk into your office, there's this sign and you talk about celebrating beauty, confidence, vibrancy. So what is it that you really want patients to feel when they're getting a treatment like this?
When you're confident, you feel vibrant. And when you're vibrant, you are beautiful. So it really stems from what's going on inside of us. And all the things that we do here are really tailored towards helping you with your confidence and be your best self.
And you really do love celebrating people's own individual beauty. So what's something everybody can do at home? Maybe they're not ready to come in and get a procedure yet. Are we supposed to be drinking more water right now? Or how can we really take care of our skin?
Well, it's really important to get blood flow everywhere in the body. Why? Because blood flow brings nutrition and oxygen. So in order to get good blood flow, yes, you want to have enough water on board, and you want to have all the good nutrition, but you also want to exercise. Why? Because exercise increases blood flow. And then you want to protect yourself from the environment, because why? The environment causes skin laxity as well as things like skin cancer and wrinkles and pigment. So a really high quality sunscreen, and of course zinc will always be my favorite for that.
All right, Dr. Emami, we always love getting to spend time with you. Thank you so much for all those tips.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.